Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Which to use, milk, soy, or water? Whole milk lends to the creaminess and sweetness of hot chocolate, but feel free to use low-fat or non-fat milk if you prefer. For a thicker, richer hot chocolate, switch out 1/4 cup of milk for cream.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
How long to microwave milk for hot chocolate? You can either microwave the milk before adding chocolate or cocoa, and extras like sugar and ground cinnamon, as above, or add it partway through the process. It may take a little longer in total, between 60 and 90 seconds.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Hot cocoa can be heated with water or milk. It is less creamy than hot chocolate, but the powder is more concentrated than hot cocoa and has a more concentrated chocolatey taste. Cocoa butter, a vegetable fat, in hot chocolate coats the palate and minimizes the flavor.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
I've used the same powder mixes in hot water as well as warm water, and the hot water cooled down almost always tastes better than warm water, regardless of brand or style of mix. I find the warm water often tastes a bit bitter, if that's even the right description of the flavor difference.
Take our lead.
Salted soft and crunchy pretzels, spiced roasted almonds, roasted nuts, toasted pumpkin seeds, or tamari roasted chickpeas or almonds are excellent companions to the sweet chocolate. Pairing the sweet beverage with a morsel of salty cheese on a crunchy seed cracker is also a tasty option.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
To make an easy microwave hot cocoa, put 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar into a mug. For the best flavor, add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of whole milk or water, and stir until the mixture is thick. Then, add 1½ cups of whole milk or water, and stir it thoroughly.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.